How to buy the 360 no scope 420 blazeit token. So this is the name. Yes, this name came under the symbol of MLG. Yes, so as you can see, before going and buy this token, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now after that, to be able to buy this token, just go, and this token, it's available on the screen, as you can see. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. If you notice that this token, as you can see, it's increased by 300% in the last 24 hours, and the liquidity here unlocked by 74%. Yes, that's mean your investment in the safe place, don't worry. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember, this token came under the Solana network. Now, the best wallet to buy this kind of tokens, just go and open your Phantom wallet. So this is the best wallet to buy that kind of tokens. Click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. You may see the name, it's kind of weird. Yes, now here type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you receive of that token. And after that, select the provider, for example, Radium via Jupiter. Now make sure to read all of that information, and after that click on swap, and after that you will be redirected to that provider page. And if you face any issues after that, just go back to this page, switch the slip patch from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the MLG, yes, the MLG token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.